Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about how to grow the Begonia Semperflorens. Now it's a beautiful begonia that's also known as the wax begonia. So wax begonias, or Semperflorens begonias, or bedding begonias, are originally from Brazil. So begonias are found all over the world, and a lot of them are from South America, but they believe that Semperflorens actually originated in Brazil, in South America. They're very short, shrubby begonias, and they're also known as bedding annuals. They can only go down to zone 9, so they do best in zones 9 through 11. And they do great in containers, and they have lots of branches with lots of soft, succulent stems, and they have rounded, glossy green leaves, about 2 inches long. And they just have lots and lots of flowers on them. Begonias love to bloom. And the wax begonias especially. They don't give you the big begonia flowers like some of the other varieties, but they'll give you lots of tiny, dainty little flowers. So they're very rewarding as an annual. They'll come back year after year, and they're just a little tuber, so you can save the bulbs in the fall and either throw the pot in the garage for the winter or throw them back outside in the spring, or start them in the spring for another year. If you live in a warmer climate, anywhere zone 9 and above, you can leave them in the ground year-round. And even as far as low as zone 7, 8, I've put them around the eaves of the house and had them survive the winter for me before. They're a beautiful plant. You can always trim them down too as the plants and the blooms kind of fade off. Pull them off or trim it down a little bit, and they'll grow new lush blooms again. They're a very rewarding plant.